G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm at the shed getting stuff ready for our meet on Sunday. I've just loaded the little BMW up because I'm going to take that because Monaro out of action and I didn't really pull my finger out to do anything with that. So I've decided I'm going to take the little BMW and people can have a look at that, and it's a pretty cool bit of gear, so that'll be good. Also, van's coming. Like always, it's a trusty van. I can put all the merch and stuff in that, so that'll be good. I've got all new OG stuff. Come through here. All new OG, small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL, and 4XL maybe, or just 3R. I've got all Chuck's Garage stuff there as well, so all the stickers and everything, we're pretty much ready to go. So I'm just about to head off. Now I don't have a tow vehicle anymore. The little Hilux is getting put to work and it's pretty mad little setup. So I'm sweating my ass off here at the moment because it's hot as hell. But yeah, this is where we're at. Let's have a look. Little Hilux looking nice. And we've got the BMW there, E30, the 6.0 E30. Have a look at it. I cannot wait to get this thing going. So after the meet, it's going off to Craig down at Kingarilla. He's going to set me up, do some more stuff, and get some pedals and all that sort of stuff going. So once the meet's over, I'll be towing it straight down there and getting that all sorted. But this is my little whip for now. But I got the new Binnaby there, or canopy I should say, or whatever the hell it is, couple of seats. Because I'm not going to be doing too much walking around because my ankle, everyone knows I've busted my ankle, which is a bit shit, but good signs, it seems to be going okay. So I'm going to lock up and then I'm going to head over to Mark's and then we're going to go from there. So sweet. All right guys, I'm here at the shed and getting ready for tomorrow. I'm going to do some, pack all the merch up, get that ready. Got Tyrone here from Prime Customs Detailing. He's going to give the van a quick once over, so huge thanks to him. He's done a ripping job. He's done the Monaro and Elvis's stuff as well. So he's going to be at the show, giving out some cards and whatnot. So he's going to give that a quick detail. Just basically, it's just a snow and then a bit of a boss gloss or whatever he does. But yeah, huge shout out to him. Go check him out. I'll put his link down below. So huge thanks to him. But going to do a heap of the merch now and pack it all up so it's ready to go tomorrow. So sweet. All right, morning everyone. We are here. I've been here for about an hour or so now. Mark's getting the stereo going. We're just about set up outside. Pizza guys showed up here, so we're going to go out and continue to set up and see what we've got so far. That's setting up. One car here. This is where we're at so far. We've got Sully and Geordie going to do some overlay for us because of my busted ankle. I'm not going to be doing too much walking around. All right, that's our Cars and Coffee's done.
First Cars and Coffees, first morning event, massive. We get out of the sun. Yeah, wow, that was awesome. We had a massive turnout. The street was packed both ways. Have no idea at this stage how many cars we had, but it was huge. Once again, everyone asking when's the next one. Yeah. We got no idea, but we definitely want to keep growing, keep putting on events for you guys. So thanks to everyone who did come down, supported us, bought some merch, brought their awesome cars out. It was a wicked turnout.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we're going to find a bigger spot now.
Yeah.
I mean, we had so many cars here. We weren't going to put people in behind the shed here, but everyone loaded that place up and then down the side streets and everything here. So, and the quality of cars was unbelievable. We had a bit of a traffic jam, like, it was awesome. So I can't thank everyone enough.
So we've got old mate in the back getting loaded up with the truck. Poor fella. But yeah, it was an awesome event. So yeah, drop your suggestions below of where we could put the next event. We want to get bigger, and yeah.
See how we go.
See how we go.
Thanks again, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.